Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, and in today's video I am going to be doing a clean with me beauty room edition. My room is atrocious, and I filmed over the weekend and just left everything where it was. So I like watching these videos. It's very therapeutic for me. I'm not going to do a lot of talking, play some really good music, and y'all can just watch me clean my room up. It's going to be really quick because I'm only doing this room, but yeah, without further ado, let's get into it.
For my mama, when I finally make it, take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us, yeah. I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy, I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Whole crew be lit. Running my money up, watch it all fall from the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it here. They ain't see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect. I ain't never gonna lose. I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy. I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got two good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own, till I fell, but it wasn't fake. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I haven't. You was just a no habit. So I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better when I wasn't. I'm going back. I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. But sometime, you the first one made my heart beat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. I need a little bit of love from you. I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow. Running from you. Or we can let the war start for us two. Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, it breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Or we can let the guns blow. I must admit I had no worries, doubts or reservations. Since an early age I became one with devastation. Took you hostage and I saved you with no